Hello class, in this video we're going to take a look at how to access your Excel project for the semester and how to complete it and submit it for grading on Simnet. For that you will have to log into Simnet, bronxcc.simnetonline.com. It takes you to this page. Make sure you are on the correct page and enter your login and your password and please sign in. When you click sign in, it will take you to your home page, which is here, and the projects are available right on your home page here. But before you click on that, make sure you are in the correct class, Data 10 Computer Fundamentals, because many of you might have enrolled in another similar course last semester and may not have completed that. If you are not in the correct current class, make sure you go back and click select another class on this side and make sure you select your correct class from here. Now that we are in the correct class, make sure you are in the Data 10 905D, the current semester. There are two projects available here. You have two exercises as a part of your Excel project. So let's click on the first one, click on Excel. You can start with either one. It is not a must that you have to do the first one first and the second one. So you can do it in any order you want. Just pay attention on the due date here. You will have to complete them and submit them before due date, because after the due date, this project will not be available for the students to see here in the home page. Okay, you may not be able to do it at all. So click on the first Excel project. You will need a few files like Central Sierra 02 file to complete this exercise. So you will have to click and download the file first here. Okay. And if you are using a Windows or a Mac, you will be able to switch your instructions based on whatever operating system you are using. Okay. So make sure you select your appropriate operating system you are using on your computer. So download your file. Whenever you click files, you see automatically the file starts downloading at the bottom left hand corner, and use this file, and you have to use this file in order to complete your exercises. Okay, so complete the exercise, follow all the instructions below here on this file, use it, and when you're completed, use that file and upload it here. Click upload file. Now I haven't done any transactions, but I could just go and show you. So select the completed file, not the blank file. Selected file and wait for it to upload. Yes, and then make sure you submit it for grading. Okay, click yes, submit the file. Once when you've completed all the tasks, then you upload your file and then click I'm ready to submit. Click that. And it actually gives you your grade, how much grade you got. Now that I haven't done anything, I just submitted a blank file, I will get a 0, but you will have to go and complete your work. It will give you the grade that you have obtained. It also gives you where all you are incorrect, or wherever you made a mistake. It tells you in red. See there. If it is all of them are correct, you get a green check. If it's partially correct, you get a blue cross. And then if it is totally wrong, you get a red X. So you could go back and correct it in the same file, because you have 2 attempts given to you. Okay, so now I've submitted it. Let me go back to my Excel. See, if you see, I've done 1 attempt. You have 2 attempts. If you see here, attempt 1 of 2. So I could go back and do all the changes to my current file. I could go back to the instructions and do all the changes. Whichever mistake I made, I could go correct it from my previous attempt. I could go see my previous attempt if I want to see here. So if I made a mistake in task 6 or task 8, I could go back and correct it and then go back and resubmit my file. Okay, so I could go back and upload it. So you are given 2 attempts to complete it. Each exercise you will be given 2 attempts. Okay, so you can go see how many attempts you have done so far. I have done 1 attempt now. I could go back and then correct all my my mistakes that I made in the previous attempt, in attempt 1, and then go and resubmit my file again, and then click again, submit my file. So you do have a chance to improve your grade. That's what I'm trying to say. And all of you can get 100% if you pay attention and do your work. But the one thing is that you will have to use your file that you have downloaded. You may not borrow somebody else's file and submit it. It'll automatically assign a 0 to you if you have downloaded somebody else's file. So you will have to log into your Simnet account and download the file for this particular Excel project. Download, complete the instructions, and then upload your file here and submit it for grading. Okay, and then when you're done with exercise 1, you could go back to the next project, which is Excel independent project 2. Same thing again here. You will have to go download the file resources. In fact, you might need 2 files here. One is Eller Software 04, it's an Excel file, and Eller Software Text, it's a text file. So you'll be able to download both the files here. Okay, and once again, complete all your tasks and then submit them here, upload them here, and submit for grading. You will be able to complete your projects. So when you have submitted it and you saw your grade, you may not see the 2 projects here. It will just be unavailable, it will just be gone, but it will say that you have submitted it. You see this? So after the due date, yes, the projects will go away, or if you have submitted the project, it will just disappear from the tab. Do not worry. If you want to see how much grades you got, you can go click on your student name, look at your grade book, it shows your grade. Okay, but I would always suggest take a screenshot of the grades that you got. That will also be a record for you for later. Okay, so I hope this helps. So look at the Excel projects. There are 2 exercises, and the due date you will have to complete by then and submit it on Simnet. Do not send it by email. Do not try to submit it on Blackboard. This project has to be downloaded from Simnet. Completed exercise has to be uploaded to the simnet for auto grading. That student has to do it by yourself. So make sure that you complete your Excel independent projects by the due date. Thank you very much.